Network topologies. Topology defines how devices are physically or logically connected. So here is the common topologies. First of all, bus, something like that. Bus topology. Okay, bus topology, simply single central cable, like a highway, a single central cable. It's that. Okay. What's pros of bus topology or bus networking topology? It's simply cheap and simple to set up. By the way, all topologies we gonna talk about in our YouTube channel. Cons. Fails if main cable breaks. If that cable, which is a main cable, if it breaks, all network is fails. That's cons of this topology. Okay, second one, start. All devices connected to a central hub, like spoken on a level. So start something like that. All devices connected to central hub, which is that. It's easy to troubleshoot because you know where is the problem. It's A, B, C, D, E. Just simply define or explore what is the wrong, okay, and simply troubleshoot it. It's so easy. We're gonna talk it about again. We're gonna talk it about our YouTube channel. Cons: hub failure, network down. If this hub fails, all network will be down. Ring: devices from a closed loop. Data travels in one direction. Okay, ring. So from this to this, something like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and again 1, 2, 3, 4. Is no data collusion. Cons: one device failure disrupts us. If one device of the circulation is failure, simply down network. Mesh topology: every device connects to others, full of partial. Mesh, something like that. Every device connected to others. Pros: redundant, reliable, expensive and complex to set up. Hybrid: mix of plus two topology, like maybe start or bus. Okay. Flexible, scalable, and complex to manage. Pros is this topology is simply flexible and scalable, but cons complex to manage. Something like that. That is ring plus start. Okay, not push actually. Ring plus start. 3. Hierarchical structure. Nodes are connected in a parent-child relationship forming multiple layers. Okay, that's it. Nodes, hubs, and server nodes, something like that. Parent-child relationship, parent-child relationship, parent-child relationship. Of this topology is scalable, AC management, and allows for segmentation. Cons: depend on root node, single point of failure, complex cabling, and costly to maintain. It's actually not important topology, but you must know actually. We will deep deeper when we set up some topology in our YouTube channel. Network architecture defines how data and resource are managed in a network. Like client server versus peer-to-peer. Okay, something like that. Client server and peer-to-peer, P2P, and client server. Quick comparison between a client server and peer-to-peer connection. Client server, centralized, yes, dedicated server. But peer-to-peer, not all devices are equal. Okay, best for clients use cursor for large organization secure environments. but we use peer-to-peer connection to small network, like home network, something like that. Okay, cost. Client server is high because there is a server cost. Peer-to-peer low because no server needed. Security. Client server high security because controlled by server. Peer-to-peer low security because users manage own security. Example. Client server, a school network with a central file server. P2P, sharing files directly between two laptops. Network types. Networks vary by geographical scope and usage. Common network types. Okay, there is a lot of networks here. PAN, LAN, WAN, VPN, and MAN. PAN, basically personal network. Scopes is 10 meter, speed, slow moderate. Actually, it's not very high. Examples like Bluetooth headphones. LAN, local area network. Scope for buildings, a building's campus, speed high, more than 1 gigabytes. Example office or school networks. WAN, wide area network. Scopes for cities and countries. Speed moderate, but high, not very high speed actually. Example for internet and corporate branch. VPN, which is virtual private network. Scope for encrypted over the internet. Speed varies. It depends. Example, remote workers accessing company files. Okay, lots of this list. MAN, metropolitan area network. Scope a city, whole city. Speed moderate to high. Example, city-wide surveillance system. Okay. Internet is a global public network. Okay, watch videos on YouTube. Intranet, private LAN, like company internal sites. Extranet, shared network with external partners, like suppliers. Here we have case study scenario. A cafe wants free Wi-Fi for customers and a secure network for payments. There is three requirement: customer Wi-Fi, payment system, network type. Customer Wi-Fi, we use star topology, like that. Star topology. We can use actually the router as a hub. After that, why why we use star topology? Because it's easy to manage and scalable. We can add more and more devices. Okay, here is second requirement. Payment system. Client server architecture. Okay. Client server. Okay. Why we use that? Because it's secure and centralized controlling actually. So network type, LAN for internal and VPN for remote manager. Why? Because balance speed and security.